Welcome back to B Spice. In this session, we'll talk about instrumentation question and answer. This will be part 8. So far, we have covered up to part 7b. So in part 8, we'll focus on level transmitters. Earlier, we covered on the pressure, differential pressure. So I thought it is appropriate to focus on level. Of course, we have actually uploaded many videos on detail engineering aspect related to level, but this is just, give you a short, a question and answer to get to know or to prepare for the interview question in a quick manner. Okay, let's go into the details. Okay, see, what is the definition of level? As we all know, level is a measure of how much fluid is in a tank or a vessel, right? Usually expressed in units of length such as inches, centimeters, or meters. Okay, so that's the definition. Then, what is the principle of ultrasonic measurement here? Ultrasonic. So, ultrasonic level transmitter work on the principle of measuring the time it takes for the ultrasonic sound wave to travel from the sensor to the liquid and back. Okay, so basically it works on the principle of measuring the time it takes for the ultrasonic sound wave to travel from the sensor to the liquid and back to the sensor. Okay, so of course a very detailed video has already been uploaded under level measurements. If you are interested, you can become a member and you can watch it. Okay, right. In fact, this is around 238 video. 238 video. So far, we have uploaded 237 videos on the detail engineering. Okay. Then coming back to the subject, principle of guided wave radar. So, guided wave radar uses a radar technology to measure the liquid in a tank or a vessel. So basically, radar technology in the sense, we call it as time domain reflectometry, TDR, or time of flight. So in this, what is happening is the radar pulses are guided down the probe submerged in a process media, right? So when radar pulses reaches a media with different dielectric constant, here the part of the energy is reflected to the transmitter, okay? And the remaining passes down, okay? So the point is the time difference between the transmitted and the reflected pulse is converted into a distance from which the total level or interface level can be calculated. So this is the, simple principle of guided wave. Okay. Yeah. Then principle of operation of float and tape level transmitter. See, float and tape level transmitter works on a principle of buoyancy. What is that buoyancy? The position of the float changes uh, depending on the level of the liquid in the tank. That's it. The float, goes up as the level increases. The float goes down as the level decreases. That's it. It's a principle of buoyancy. Then, common cause of inaccurate level measurement reading. See, we would have faced a lot of errors. So what could be the common cause? See, there are a variety of factors. Could be an incorrect calibration or interference from nearby electrical equipment or even the physical obstruction in the tank or the vessel itself. In the tank surface should be fine. There should not be any protruding parts, all these aspects. And of course, foamy application, turbulence, all these also added to the inaccurate measurement reading. Okay. Which type of level transmitter is not affected by foam or turbulence? Yes, guided wave radar transmitter are not affected by foam or turbulence in the liquid as the signal is guided by the probe. That is the beauty. Okay. So guided wave is one of the very good measurement actually. Yeah, of course, in guided wave also, if it's a lot of turbulence or, we can have a stilling well chamber kind of arrangement, which I already explained in my video. You can watch if you are really interested more on the detail aspect. Okay, this is just more on a question and answer requested by one of our member who want some exposure on the questions which is to be possible questions to be encountered during the interview session. Okay, I think we are done with this. Okay, now principle of operation of differential pressure. Of course, this everybody knows. See, it basically works on the principle of measuring the pressure difference between the 2 points, high LP side and the HP side, right, friends? Okay. So, what type of LT is best suited for use in narrow tanks or vessel? Float and tap level transmitter are ideal for use in narrow tanks or vessel, where other types of LT may not fit. Okay, that is the answer for this. And what is the advantage of using a guided wave? Yes, again, see, guided wave or versatile, it can measure level for both liquids and solids and not affected by dust, foam, and have a high accuracy. That is the advantage, right? Now, factors affecting the accuracy. What are all the factors? See, various factors, the temperature, density, viscosity, all the factors affecting the accuracy. Then, what is the most common problem associated to the float level? Of course, the float level is the corrosion of the float that will affect the accuracy. That is the main and most important aspect. Then, what is the most common problem associated with the nuclear level transmitter? Of course, many of us have not encountered this, but yeah, nuclear, yeah, we use in our petrochemical and refinery applications actually. So use of nuclear level transmitter requires a compliance with strict regulatory requirements. So that is a major challenge. So as a result, it is subjected to additional cost and some bureaucratic hurdles. That's it. Okay. So then advantage of non-contact level measurement. Non-contact in the sense, ultrasonic and radar. Radar also we have a guided wave, but this one I'm talking about the non-contact type. Okay. So no direct contact with the fluid, which can be advantageous in application where direct contact is not possible or not desirable. See, highly corrosive, like acid application. So you want to measure. So then you go for this non-contact, right, friends? Right. So level measurement most suitable for detecting level of powders and granular solids. This actually we have uploaded recently, in fact yesterday, a video on this. This is answer is vibrating tuning fork. This is more suitable for detecting of powders and granular. If you think about powders and granular solid, just focus on vibration tuning fork. Then how to prevent foam from affecting the level measurements in a tank? Yes. See, foam application, if it is there, then we can use specialized foam resistant level transmitter. Nowadays, we have all kind of, measures for controlling the foam. That is one aspect. Then other option is install an apoging system to remove the foam from the tank or the vessel. Okay. And adjust the level transmitter sensitivity to account for the foam. Okay. Otherwise, what you can do, you can mount the transmitter using a steering wheel, or maybe you can use this transmitter outside. Outside means like a chamber kind of thing. You can nullify the foam. Yes, to some extent, not fully. But you can use all these measures, right, friends? Okay. Then what is the purpose of stilling well? Yeah, just now I told, right? Yes. So stilling well provide the a stable reference point for the level measurements, meaning it reduces the effects of turbulence on the level transmitter. Foamy or turbulence, all these can be get rid of using a stilling well. So these are the some of the questions just came to my mind, friends, on the level measurements. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.